this bread. So let's go see them if they want to eat.
Oh, they run.
There's one more kitty down there.
Okay. Tingnan nyo guys, so yung box na yan, nasira na. Ayan. So, plano ko itong lagyan ng ano, pechay. Ayan, ayan. Lalagyan ko siya ng ano, ng tawag dito. Fertilizer. Yung lupa ba? Oh my God. So cutie. Oh. Inaano ni Orlen. Pinapakain niya ng bread. Kawawa naman. Ayan. Ang daming ano namin dito guys. Daming pusa. As in, ayun oh. Oh, isa pa. Ayun. Oh. Oh, meron pa dito sa ilalim ng ano. Ilalim ng sasakyan. Ang dami. Oh, meron pa doon oh. Ayan. Ang dami nila. Ayan. What happened? What happened, cutie? What happened, cutie? Oh my God, there's another. Ang cute nandun. Ayan guys, ang cute. Nakikita niyo ba? Ang cute. She's pregnant, I think.
Huh?
Diba? Ito yung mga accommodation namin guys. She's cute. Here. Oh, ang cute niya. Oh my God, cutie. Where are you going? Oh my God, where are you? Come out. Ang cute niya guys. So, nandito siya sa ano. Wait. So cute, ang ganda ng kulay.
She wants to eat.
Come out na.
She's coming from here. She wants to come out from here. Or maybe we should. Mama, I want to say something.
Wait.
Or maybe she wants. We move and then she will come out from here.
Okay.
She wants to sit. Let's find another cute kitty.
Oh, may tubo guys.
Which one is cute?
Ewan ko kung ano to.
Ouch.
Curry leaves. Tapos ito tubo
Wait
din.
for me.
Oh, tubo
Mama,
nga.
this is cool. I like.
Sugar cane. Ayun na, ang dami na nila guys. Ayan. Oh, ang dami oh.
Can you give me, Mama?
Oh.
Can you give me more bread in the kitchens?
Take there. Oh. Ang dami na ng ano pusa dito guys. Pero ang ganda yung kanina guys. Ang cute. Ano? Ming! Looking for food. Oh, ayun pa yung isa. Oh. Oh. Ang dami nila dito guys. Napakadami ng pusa sa amin dito. The small one, there is the small one. Si Olin, kinuha niya talaga yun. Yan yung rooms namin.
Can you open? I want two.
Which one?
Two breads.
Okay. It's a bit far.
Open na, Demi. Two. Give me this one. Hold this one.
Where are you going? You will okay. Cute na mga pusa namin dito guys. Yung mga pusa namin dito guys. Okay, yung mga pusa namin dito guys, may breed. As in, yung mga kulay nila kakaiba. Okay. May mga breed guys yung ano yung mga pusa namin dito. So lahat-lahat naman. Okay, go and come back. so lahat ng mga kulay, may itim, may gray, may puti at saka black, may wait. Then may mga pure na white, ang gaganda guys.
Let's hope if she goes outside. Hi!
Hey cutie, what are you doing there? What? You're hungry?
She's scared because she's scared to fall. She's scared.
What happened? What?
Mama, Anna, leave her.
You're hungry? Wait, I will give you food. Just give me a little. Where are you? Ah. Just give little.
I'm so scared.
She don't throw like that, no? She will jump.
I'm scared.
She will eat. Sorry, Orlin, drop your food.
But
Just eat it.
I will give you another one.
Just eat it. Just eat. Where are you going, Mama?
I dropped that because it's dirty.
That's why she is not eating.
Yeah.
Yan na. Ay, nalagay. So, tingnan nyo naman.
Where is she?
Cute.
Where is she? Back up there.
Don't disturb,
I cannot go back up and go back down. Because I'm scared to go back down.
Why you are there? What are you doing there? Huh?
She wants to sleep in that home.
Huh? What?
She cannot talk.
Give me.
Here, I want. Another.
Okay. Enough na.
I will give her another one. Okay. Oh, my heart is beating so fast.
Enough na.
I cannot go down.
Jump.
I cannot.
She don't want. Leave. Okay, we leave. Come.
Wait.
Leave her alone. She will eat.
Okay. Huh? Another one.
She don't want. She run.
I don't
Mingming,
know
come.
why she's not eating. There's another cat not eating.
So,
I
tingnan
think she's
natin
full
guys.
already. I think she's full.
Tingnan natin yung isa. Ang ganda, cute niya. Asan na rin? Where is she? She's running.
She's there. She's there.
Where?
She's there.
Cute.
All good?
Yeah. Mingming, come. What are you doing there?
She wants to sleep. She's scared.
Ang ganda ng kulay niya, guys. Oh,
See,
diba?
she's not gonna eat.
Leave if she don't want
another
to eat.
kitty. One kitty
Ming.
was running there. Look.
Ming. Oh, may chili.
Another kitty was
Chili.
eating that one.
Tingnan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, maliit pero may mga bunga na.
Mama,
Ha?
Mama, another kitty was eating this black kitty. Come here. The black kitty.
Ayan, guys. Oh. Guys, so tingnan nyo yung kulay niya. Oh, ang ganda. Oh.
Mama,
Ayan.
you hold this one and throw for the kitties. And I'll go for it.
Ming. Oh, ayun oh. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Oh. So cute. Ayan. Meow. Kitty. Hello, kitty. Where are you going?
I want to tell you something.
What?
This kitty but scratched. What is another two breads?
Where are you going? You're crying since before. You're looking You're looking for your children. Looking lime
I
ito,
saw one
guys.
kitty there.
Oh,
What?
lime. May bunga na ho.
What?
Lime.
What?
Lime.
What's lime? Let's go there.
Yeah. Don't go there. There is matinik dyan.
What does that mean?
There is something. See, look, same like this. It will hurt you.
Oh.
Guys, tingnan natin yung yung tinanim ng mga gardener. Oh, ang gaganda na. Ang salad, guys. Parsley. Ayan, oh. Parsley. Oh, ang dami na. Ito yung lettuce. Ayan. Tapos ito, parsley. Pang tabuli, pang salad. Ayan. Oh, may mais din sila. Oh. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda na, oh. May kukuhanan na tayo, guys, ng tawag dito, ng mga pang salad. Ito, guys, kung ano to. Pang salad din ito, guys. Ang amoy niya parang ano, mabaho. Ang tawag dito, parang herbal. Parang herbal pang salad. Pag kinain mo yan guys, parang may aftertaste na tawag dito. Basta, yung malangto. Yung kung ano sa Tagalog yung malangto. May ano ba, parang herbal. O pang salad, o lettuce. Ayan, ayan si Olen. Olen! Tapos ito. Yung ano, yung corn. O, diba? Konti lang yung ano, yung corn na ano, tinanim nila. Don't go that side. Pag nakita ka na mamaya ng mga gardener na ano. Yung mga gardener yan guys, binibigyan ni ano, may sa basim ng mga seeds, tapos i-ano nila, tatanim nila. Nolin. Yan. Pero walang coriander. Yung cilantro. Pag may cilantro, maganda nito. Kaya pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, magdadala ako niyan ng parsley seeds. Tapos ito, yung lettuce. Yan kasi doon guys, bihira yung mga lettuce. Bihira yung lettuce doon. Makikita mo. Na kaya ano, magdadala tayo. Ayan. Olen. Olen.
Hi, I'm so sad.
Why?
Because the black kitty hurt my thumb.
Ay, naku, Olen ka. O, diba?
Today I am having breakfast.
What?
And I want to play outside.
What is your breakfast for today?
My breakfast, it is noodles.
It's spaghetti, that one.
Spaghetti and some chicken, some bread with toast.
Yeah, toast bread with cheese. Ayan ang breakfast niya. So after breakfast guys, it's 10 o'clock aming breakfast, o diba?
Then after breakfast, we have to go play outside to see some
Cats.
And
Lots of cats here, right?
Yeah, and we feed the cats, and then we're gonna go see the friends what Mama Basa made.
Yes. Ayan. Ayan guys, mag-e-end na kami.
Bye guys. I'll see you in our next vlog. Bye bye. Subscribe in our channel, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye bye.